How to find your QR code in Binance app. Step-by-step guide. Want to find your QR code in the Binance app? Whether it's for deposits, withdrawals, or sharing your Binance Pay ID, I'll show you exactly where to find it. Let's get started. First, open the Binance app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your Binance user ID and a QR code next to it. This is your referral or pay QR code, which you can share with others. If you're looking for a deposit QR code, go back to the home screen and tap on Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and Binance will generate a QR code for your wallet address. To find your Binance Pay QR code, tap on Pay from the home screen. You'll see a QR code that others can scan to send you payments instantly. You can save or share your QR code directly by tapping on the Save or Share button. This makes transactions quick and easy. And that's it. Now you know how to find your QR code in the Binance app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.